Niagara Falls is a top global natural wonder, attracting millions annually. Should you book tours in advance? Absolutely. Ensure your spot and avoid missing out. Booking in advance ensures you don't miss out on popular Niagara Falls tours, which sell out quickly, especially during peak season, like boat rides or thrilling helicopter tours. Imagine arriving and finding your dream tour fully booked. Reserving your spot in advance guarantees you'll secure a place on the tour you've been looking forward to. Booking in advance secures your spot and helps you find special deals. ToNiagara offers early bird discounts and combo packages when you reserve ahead. Booking early also means less stress when you arrive. Everything is planned, so you can just focus on enjoying your time at the falls. So, should you book Niagara Falls tours in advance? Yes. Secure your spot, save money, and enjoy a stress-free trip. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Happy travels!